Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to discuss general methods of preparations of amines. This is the most important part in organic compound containing nitrogen atom such as amines. So my dear student, especially the preparations of amines, there are different type of named reactions also coming in this concept. So that's why in NEET point of view, also board level point of view, the preparation methods of amines are very, very important. Now in the entire preparation methods of amines, 9 preparations methods are there according to CBSE textbook, and additional preparation methods also present in NEET level. Later I will explain the additional preparations method. Now we are going to discuss CBSE based preparation methods of amines. Okay, Nana? The first one is, see here, Hoffman's ammonolysis method. First, very, very important, put star mark here, Hoffman's ammonolysis method. This is the most important preparation method of amines. See here, a mixture of amines such as primary or secondary or tertiary amines along with quaternary compounds are formed when alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic ammonia is sealed tube at 373 kelvins. My dear students, from this preparation method, it is commonly known as the Hoffman's ammonolysis method. Here, ammonia treated with methyl halides or alkyl halide, ammonia treated with alkyl halide in the presence of the 373 Kelvin's temperature, hence mixture of amines are formed. It's nothing but either 1 degree amines or 2 degree amines and 3 degree amines are formed. For example, see here, methyl iodide. This is the methyl iodide treated with alcoholic ammonia in the presence of 373 Kelvin's temperature. Now here methyl amine is nothing but 1 degree amine is formed. This 1 degree amine again treated with methyl iodide, hence 2 degree amines are obtained. That is nothing but dimethyl amines are obtained. This dimethyl amine again continuously treated with methyl iodide, trimethyl amines are obtained. Again this trimethyl amine again treated with methyl iodide. Finally, my dear students, tetramethyl ammonium iodide is obtained. So in this Hoffman's ammonolysis process, the mixture of amines are obtained such as 1 degree amines or 2 degree amines or 3 degree amines. My dear student, this entire the preparation methods is generally very typical examples of nucleophilic substitutions reaction. This completely nucleophilic substitutions reaction, but it's not a easy, it's a very typical nucleophilic substitution reaction. So the first preparation method from the amines, Hoffman's ammonolysis process. In this process, alcoholic ammonia is directly treated with alkyl halide such as methyl iodide or methyl bromide or methyl chloride, whatever it halide, but alcoholic ammonia is directly treated with alkyl halide, hence to form mixture of amines, either 1 degree amines or 2 degree amines or 3 degree amines. This is the first preparations method from the amines from Hoffman's ammonolysis process. Next, second one seen in a second preparations method in above this one and Hoffman's ammonolysis preparation method not only prepared 1 degree, the mixture of amines are prepared 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Okay, now the second one, reduction of nitro compounds. Reduction of nitro compound. See here, primary amines can be obtained by the reduction of nitro compound using SN-HCl, stannum and HCl combination, or zinc and HCl combination, or hydrogen and nickel combination, or powerful reducing agent such as lithium aluminum hydrides also in the presence of the dry ether at room temperature. So this is the most important preparation methods of amine from the nitro compound. See my dear students, here primary amines can be easily to obtain by the reduction of nitro compound in the presence of powerful reducing agents such as lithium aluminum hydride or zinc and HCl combination, SN and HCl combination. Here the pure catalyst also used right now here. What are the pure catalyst? Nickel or platinum or palladium catalyst at room temperature. It means the primary amines easily to prepare at room temperature with reduction process of nitro compound. Now see here, RNO2, this is the nitroalkane, 3 moles of hydrogen are nothing but 6 hydrogen atom. It's nothing but reductional process. These are the optimum conditions. Lithium aluminum hydride or SnHCl or ZnHCl combination, either nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst. Hence primary amines are obtained. Additionally, water molecules are liberated. My dear students, the reduction of nitro compound to give primary amine, that is the most important point. Primary amines easily to obtain through reductional process of the nitro compound. Now this is a general representation equation. Now see here, example C2H5NO2, it's nothing but nitroethane 6H adds gives rise to same optimum condition above the chemical reaction. Now ethane amine and additionally water molecule is liberated. From the reduction of nitro compounds, primary amine easily to obtain. These are the aliphatic amine category. Now here see these two example, aromatic amines category. Now this compound name is a nitrobenzene. Okay ma, 6H and catalyst are either nickel or platinum, and reducing agents are stannum hydrochloric acid combination or zinc hydrochloric acid combination or lithium aluminum hydride combination. And finally primary aromatic amines are obtained. This is commonly known as the aniline, Now additionally water molecule also liberated. And see another important preparation method, this one last one is a very important preparation method. This is a laboratory preparations of aniline, especially this one. This is a nitrobenzene treated with hydrogen to form aniline. This is the laboratory preparations method of the aniline in the presence of tin and HCl combination. And see one more example here, p-nitrotoluene. Why it's called p-nitrotoluene? Actually toluene is nothing but CH3 group directly attaches to the benzene ring, that is called toluene. But in the para position nitro group is there. That's why this compound name is p-nitro. Para position lo nitro group is present here, p-nitrotoluene. The p-nitrotoluene under reductional process in the optimum conditions of titanium trichloride, this is a TaCl3, titanium trichloride and mixture of HCl. The mixture of titanium trichloride and HCl and SnCl2 HCl, SnHCl, hence one new product is obtained, that is a p-toluidine. p-toluidine, and additionally titanium tetrachloride. This is a titanium trichloride, this is a titanium tetrachloride, additionally 2H2O is liberated. These are the preparations methods of amines, preparation methods of amine from the reductional of the nitro compounds. Okay ma? Two preparation methods are completed. Number one, Hoffman's ammonolysis process, and number two, reductions of the nitro compound. My dear students, in the reductions of nitro compounds, what are catalysts are used? What kind of the catalysts are used? Especially platinum and nickel or palladium, and also using reducing agent such as combination of lithium aluminum hydride, SnHCl combination or zinc HCl combinations. And xenon. Third preparations method, ammonolysis of alcohol. This is also another important preparation method, ammonolysis of alcohol. A mixture of amines is also obtained. Listen Nana, a mixture of amine is also obtained when the mixture of containing vapor of alcohol and ammonia are passed over heated in the presence of alumina or thoria catalyst at 620 Kelvin's temperature. So my dear students, ammonolysis of alcohol, it means a mixture of amines are general obtained. Mixture of amines means either 1 degree amines or 2 degree amines or 3 degree amines. It can easily to obtain the combinations of the alcohol and ammonia are passed through on heating in the presence of alumina, Al2O3 or thoria, THO2 thoria catalyst at 620 Kelvin's temperature. Now see here, this is the methyl alcohol treated with ammonia. Now what happened, my dear students? CH3NH2. From here, ammonia group on hydrogen is removed, and here OH group is also removed as a water molecules are eliminated, and 1 degree amines are obtained. 1 degree amines are obtained. So methyl alcohol treated with ammonia, now 1 degree amines are obtained. After 1 degree amines, again continuously treated with methyl alcohol, 2 degree amines are obtained. Again these 2 degree amines continuously treated with 1 more mole of methyl alcohol and 3 degree amines are obtained. My dear students, from this preparation method, the mixture of amines are obtained when the combinations of the methyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol, any kind of the alcohol treated with ammonia. Here the temperature is most important, my dear student, 620 Kelvin's temperature, and here catalysts are Al2O3 and thoria, in heated Al2O3 and thoria. This is the third preparations method, ammonolysis of alcohols. And fourth preparation method, my dear students, reduction of nitriles. You know that very well. What is the another name of the nitriles? Cyanides. So reduction of cyanides or reduction of nitriles, this is commonly known as Mendes reduction. Mendes reduction, most important named reaction, Mendes reduction. Mendes reduction means actually primary amines are easily to prepare with reductional process of cyanide group. This is the reduction of nitriles, or another name is a Mendes reduction process. Now in this preparation method, my dear students, primary amines can be prepared by the reduction of nitriles. The reductions is done either catalytically with hydrogen and nickel, or with sodium and alcohol, or sodium amalgam, or alcohol, or lithium aluminum hydride. These are all combination. What kind of the reducing agents are used, Nana? Listen once again. Lithium aluminum hydride, or sodium and alcohol combination, or sodium amalgam combination, or hydrogen and nickel combination. These are the catalyst or reducing agent in this chemical reaction. Now see here one equation. Alkyl nitrile. This is the alkyl nitrile treated with 4H, and in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, finally primary amines are obtained. Now one example, methyl cyanide or acetonitrile. This compound name is acetonitrile or methyl cyanide treated with 4H of hydrogens in the same optimum conditions, and finally Ethyl amines are uptime. 1 degree amines are uptime. These are the aliphatic amines category. Now see my dear students, aromatic amine category. Now phenyl cyanide. This one is the phenyl cyanide, or another name is a benzonitrile. Phenyl cyanide or benzonitrile treated with 4H. Now benzyl amines are obtained. Benzyl amines are obtained. These are the ammonolysis of reductions of the nitriles is Mendes reduction reactions. See here one more examples are there. Alcohol is an important no? Alcohol treated with thionyl chloride, alkyl halides are obtained. This alkyl halide again treated with potassium cyanide, and alkyl cyanide or alkyl nitriles are obtained. This alkyl nitrile again treated with reducing agent of lithium aluminum hydride. Finally 1 degree amines also liberated. My dear students, here alcohol is also to give 1 degree amine through this process. First of all, alcohol treated with thionyl chloride, alkyl halides are obtained. This alkyl halide again treated with potassium cyanide, alkyl cyanides are liberated. This alkyl cyanide again treated with powerful reducing agent, hence 1 degree amines are released. Okay ma'am, these are the first 4 preparations method. And fifth preparation method, by reduction of acid amides. By reduction, these are all are none, all are the reductional process, not oxidation process, all are the reductional process. See here, reduction of nitro compounds and reduction of nitriles. Now reduction of acid amides. Reduction means addition of hydrogen, the addition of hydrogen. So whenever this combination hydrogens are addition, it can easily to prepare the mixture of amines, 1 degree or 2 degree or 3 degree amines. Now see here, by reduction of acids amines. My dear students, primary amines or secondary amines and 3 degree amines can be obtained by the reduction of amides with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium and absolutely alcohol. You know that what is absolute alcohol? 100% of alcohol, that is called absolute alcohol. My dear students, instead of lithium aluminum hydride, absolute alcohol also used as a catalyst, as a reducing agent in this process. Which process? By reduction of acid amide process. Now see here example, RCONH2. RCONH2, it's a 1 degree amide treated with 4H, and these are the optimum condition. Finally 1 degree amines are liberated. And see, this is a general equation. Now is the example, CH3CONH2 is acetamide treated with 2 moles of hydrogen or nothing but 4 hydrogen atoms. These are the optimum condition, same optimum condition. 1 degree amines are obtained. This is the actual aliphatic amines preparation method. Now see here, aromatic amines preparation method. This is a benzamide, C6H5CONH2, benzamide, and 4 hydrogen atoms, and in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride and water molecule. Finally here benzyl amines are obtained. Benzyl amines are obtained. So these are the reduction of the acid amines. Here instead of ethyl alcohol or lithium aluminum hydride and ether, it can easily use absolute alcohol also. Okay ma'am? Now see here one statement, very important statement. Secondary or tertiary amines can be prepared by the reduction of 2 degree and 3 degree amides. So my dear student, here 1 degree amide to gives 1 degree amines. Here also 2 degree and 3 degree, it's nothing but secondary or tertiary amines can be prepared by the reductions of the secondary and tertiary amides respectively. So now see here examples, my dear students. CH3CO NHCH3, it's nothing but N-methyl acetamide, it's a 2 degree amines, 2 degree amide treated with hydrogen in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Now ethyl methyl amines, 2 degree amines are obtained. Ethyl methyl amines are obtained, and this is a 2 degree. Now one more example is a 3 degree amines. N, N dimethyl acetamide is a 3 degree amide treated with hydrogen, and hence ethyl dimethyl amine, 3 degree amines are liberated. So important point, my dear students, by the reductions of acid amides, if 1 degree amide involved in the reductional process to give 1 degree amines, and 2 degree amides and 3 degree amines can involved in the reductional process, hence to give the 2 degree amines and 3 degree amines. Okay ma? So 5 preparation methods are completed right now. The first one is the Hofmann's ammonolysis process and reduction of nitro compounds. Third one is the ammonolysis of alcohol. Fourth one is a reduction of nitriles, and fifth one is by reduction of acid amines. Now one more important preparation method, Hofmann's bromamide or bromoamide, Hofmann's bromoamide reaction. Bromoamide reaction is generally degradation reaction. Hofmann's bromoamide reactions are commonly known as the degradation reaction. Okay, Nana? Now in this preparation method, see Nana, by this method amide group is converted into primary amino. Important, Nana, in this process amide means CONH2 group. This is a amide group. CONH2 group is converted into primary amino group. Primary amino group means NH2 group, the primary amino group. This acid amide is treated with again bromine and aqueous of ethanolic KOH solution. Finally amines are liberated. See, my dear student, here this is a amide group, alkyl amide group, 1 degree amide group. This 1 degree amide group treated with bromine in the presence of the alkali solution such as KOH on heating. Finally 1 degree amine additionally KBr are liberated. So most important point, my dear student, in this preparations method, first of all, amide group is easily to converted into amino group or primary amine group. How to treated with bromine in the presence of the alkali solution of KOH. Now this compound name is acetamide, CH3CONH2, acetamide treated with bromine in the presence of 4KOH. Now what happened ma? Methylamine and KBr is released. Now here these are the aliphatic amine. Now aromatic category is a benzamide. This is a benzamide treated with bromine and in the presence of alkali solution of KOH, and aniline is liberated, and additionally KBr, K2CO3, potassium carbonate and water is liberated. This is the most important preparation method in amines, Nana. Hofmann's bromamide reaction is a degradation reaction, sir. Very, very important. And also Mendes reduction reactions also very, very important. Now 6 preparations methods are completed. Now 7th one, Nana, by reduction of oximes is also important, Nana. By reduction of oximes, see here, primary amines can be formed by the reduction of oximes. The reduction is done by hydrogen and nickel catalyst or sodium and absolute alcohol or lithium aluminum hydride and ether. Okay, Nana? So the start can be made from a aldehyde or ketone. See, important point, Nana, here from the aldehyde and ketone, from the ketone and aldehyde are nothing but from the carbonyl compound such as aldehyde or ketone treated with oximes, hence finally primary amines are liberated. Now see this one aldehyde, this is the oxime and form aldoxime. This is the aldoxime. This aldoxime again treated with reducing agent such as lithium aluminum hydride. Finally 1 degree amines are liberated. So this one from the aldehyde group. So aldehyde group whenever treated with oxime to form aldoxime is intermediate product. This aldoxime again treated with lithium aluminum hydride. Finally 1 degree amines are liberated. Now one more carbonyl compound, that is a ketone. Now this is a ketone again treated with oxime. Now what happened ma? Here ketoxime is formed. This ketoxime again treated with lithium aluminum hydride. Finally 1 degree amines are liberated. Not 1 degree, is a 2 degree amines are 1 degree amines are liberated. Okay Nana, these are the 7th preparation method from oxime. Now 8th one, put 3 star mark or 5 star mark. It's a very important preparation methods of amines. That is name is a Gabriel phthalimide synthesis reaction. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis reaction is a very important, and all kind of competitive exam every year or in board level frequently questions coming from this preparation method, Gabriel phthalimide synthesis process. Now in this preparation method, my dear student, this method is the best method for the preparing of 1 degree amines. Underline this point, which is the best preparation method of 1 degree amines. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis process is the best preparations method of the primary amines. So again I repeated the same statement. This method is the best method of method for preparing of 1 degree amines from RX. RX is nothing but alkyl halide and involve the following 3 steps. See, in this process, Nana, 3 steps are involved. The first one is the phthalimide is reacted with ethanolic solutions of KOH to form potassium phthalimide. So first in this Gabriel phthalimide synthesis process, first of all phthalimide reacted with KOH and to form potassium phthalimide. In the second step, Nana, the potassium salt of phthalimide treated with alkyl halide. Second alkyl halide, hence N-ethyl phthalides are obtained. Now finally this N-alkyl phthalimide put to hydrolysis with diluted hydrochloric acid, and finally pure primary amines are liberated. So see here in Gabriel phthalimide, first of all phthalimide directly treated with alcohol KOH, hence potassium phthalimide is obtained. This one again treated with alkyl halide C2H5X alkyl halide, finally N-ethyl phthalimides are liberated. This N-ethyl phthalimide again treated with water or hydrolysis, finally my dear students ethyl amine is nothing but pure primary amines are liberated. Additionally phthalic acid also liberated. So which is the best preparations method for primary amines? Gabriel phthalimide preparation methods are very important and best preparations method. Okay Nana? Now see Nana, one more important key point, hydrogenations of N-alkyl phthalimide is still more efficient and effective method as compared to the acidic basic hydrolysis of 1 degree amine in the Gabriel system. So now see here N-alkyl phthalimide, this is a N-alkyl phthalimide again treated with hydrazine. See here in above equation N-ethyl phthalimide treated with hydrolysis, but instead of hydrolysis to put hydrazine in the presence of ethanol, it can easily to form primary amine. This is the best preparations method. Here instead of hydrolysis just you used hydrazine easily to prepare pure primary amines. This completely all chemical reactions is belongings to the Gabriel phthalimide synthesis process. And last and final preparations method of amines by decarboxylation of alpha amino acid. By decarboxylation of alpha amino acid. So now this is the alpha amino acid in the presence of barium hydroxide to decarboxylation process, you know, nothing but carbon dioxide is eliminated from the alpha amino acid. Finally 1 degree amines are easily to obtain. So okay my dear students, these are all of them preparations methods of the amines. 9 preparations methods are there. All preparation methods are very important, especially named Hoffman's brominated reaction and Mendes reduction reaction, and especially for primary amines Gabriel phthalimide synthesis process are very important. Okay ma, in this session I completed successfully the entire the preparations methods of amines. In next class I will go to discuss physical properties and chemical properties. Okay ma?